Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this car has some great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You get DAB digital radio, dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with the speed limiter. We also get speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 17,000 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.